Here is your broken screw removal instrumentation set, brand new, packed in a perfectly hard anodized sterilization box. Let me just take you through your instrumentation set. We have a two tray set here. The first tray, you can see you have all the extractors, the drives, the hex ones and the star ones as well, the conical screw removal set as well, and you have all the relevant instrumentation to take out your implants. In the second tray, you can see all the large instruments are kept, the key handle, the straight ones, the extractors, and the gauge, what you can see in the screw removal plier as well. So here is the brief view of your brand new set made of highest grade surgical stainless steel. Hope you like the set. Thank you very much.